Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solution. My name is Lokesh Gandhi. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a task template in Oracle Fusion application. Creating a task template, you can present a group of tasks for salespeople working sales teams. For example, we can create an opportunity task template that display a set of tasks that need to be performed while working on opportunity. So these tasks are generated from the templates are accessible to salespeople in the activities tab within the business sales business object work area. So we can create a task template for opportunity, for lead, for campaign, for customer. So in this video, we are going to create a task template for opportunity. So let's move on to the application. This is the home page of the application. Let's click on this navigator. Click on this setting and action menu. Click on setup and maintenance. In setup parts, let's select sales. In the functional area, we have to click on opportunities. And in the task area, click on this all task show and scroll down and click on this manage sales task template. This is the manage sales task template page. On this page, you can see the list of the template which is created over here, and we are going to create new one. So click on this create icon button, click on that. So this is the create template dialog box up here. Let's insert the information about this template. So first one is template name. So I'm going to input template name, which is opportunity sales template. Now description, you can enter a brief description about this template. So let's active. The checkbox, this checkbox indicates that the template is active. The checkbox is selected by default. This is checked by default. Now template type. So the business object to which the task template is associated is set to the default. This is opportunity. So we are going to create this template under the opportunity. So this is the template type. Now subtype. So this is the default value is blank, and if you want to create a task template for the assessment, so we have to select this assessment, but right now I'm not select this, and I'm going with this default value. Now template set. Select the template set that you want to associate with your business unit. So I'm going to select a common set right now, and click on this OK button. Now you can see opportunity sales template. This task template is created. Now let's create a task. So when we create a task template, then first we create a task template. After that, we can create the individual task for that template. So let's create a task for this template. So let's first we select this template and scroll down. Select this template and scroll down, click on this create task icon, click on that. So you can create this task related to this template, this opportunity sales template. So let's enter the subject for this template. So I'm going to enter check service request. Now insert the description for that. This is optional. You can insert this, either you can leave it. Lead time. Let's enter the lead time for this task. If you enter a lead time, the task will be begin after those days. Let's say if a task is created from the task template, so let's take example, the task template is created today's date. Now if you enter a lead time value is 2, like I insert 2, then the task start date is 2 days after. It's today's is 1st of January. Then we have to add 2 days. So 3rd of January is the task starting date. Now let's select the type. Let's select the email for that. Now template duration. It defined the due date for the task. The due date is calculated based on the template duration and the task start date. If duration is blank in the template task, in the template duration, then the task is created without the due date. So we have to insert some days or duration for this task. And if the task short start date is a start date is 3rd of January and the template duration is set to be 3, then the due date is 6th of January. Now set the priority for this task. So I'm going to select medium for that. Now click on this OK. Now you can see task is created over here for this template. Now click on save and close. Now let's see where the template is created. So click on this navigator, click on sales, click on opportunities. Because we have created the template in the opportunity, let's create one opportunity. So click on this create icon button. Let's enter the name of this BISP and leave all the fields and click on save and close. Now click on this BISP opportunity. And earlier I told you that the tasks generated from the templates are accessible to the salespeople in the activities. So this is the summary page of this opportunity. Let's click on this activities. Now click on this create task list and click on this create task from the template. Let's select the template name which is created earlier. This is opportunity sales template. Select it and save and close. So you can select the template for this opportunity, and this is the subject which we created earlier for this template, which is show display over here. Click on this, check service request. So this is the edit page for this task. You can edit this information, the whole information for this task. You can add the account for that. You can add the primary contact for that. You can add the lead for that, and many more information for this task. Now this is the due date. Today's date is 18, and we add 2 for lead time. So we add 18 plus 2, that is 20, and 20 is the lead time, it is the starting time, and we add 3 days for the template duration. For the due date, this is 23 of May is the due date. Now you can add the contact, you can add the notes for this task. So this is the whole process. You can create a task template for the opportunity. You can add the task for that template. Similarly, you can create a template for lead. You can create a template for campaign. You can create the template for the customer. So hope you understand. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.